channel The Blush Babe. My name is Mrinmay and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the basics of highlighting and contouring your face. It is very easy and you can do it just like that. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have been struggling doing this, especially if you're a beginner. So I have brought to you this very quick and easy tutorial where you can learn the easiest way to contour as well as highlight your face. Now without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get into the video. So as you guys can see, I've already done my eyes and my lips and my brows. And now I'm moving on to contouring. For contouring, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Ultra Professional palette, which I've already talked about in my previous video. So if you haven't checked that video out yet, I will put it over here. Don't forget to check it out. So we're gonna start off by contouring. Now what contouring basically does is that it gives a definition to your face. It enhances your cheekbones, your jawline, giving you a chiseled look. It's very easy. You just have to keep in mind the high points on your cheeks as well as the points that you wanna hide. So if you see my face is a little chubby. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna enhance my cheekbones, which means I'm gonna lift my cheekbones. Now for contouring, you need to choose a shade that is 2 to 3 shades darker than you. So I'm gonna go with this one and I will just take it on the brush like this. I'm using this angled brush. It has a slanting thing going on, so I'm taking this brush and I'm gonna dip it into this contour palette and I will just find the cheekbones. So these are my cheekbones. This is the line that I want to contour. So I'm gonna start off by here and I will drag it all the way down over here. I'm not gonna drag it till here. I will just keep it halfway. So we have dragged it over here. And now we're gonna blend it completely. So I'm gonna dust off the excess product and I will just start blending it in circular motions. I am not blending it in the line. I will just blend it in circular motions like this. You guys can see. Make sure to blend it completely and don't leave any harsh lines. I mean, if you can, if you want, but I don't prefer that, so I'm not leaving any harsh lines. And now I'm gonna drag this upwards like this. I'm gonna contour this portion as well. So I'll just take some product from here and I'll just drag it up. See, I'm not taking any extra product from the palette. I'm just using the same product that's on my cheeks already. So we're just gonna drag it upwards and blend in with circular motions again. Now you guys can see the difference in this cheek and this one. It's very plain, but this one has a little definition to it. Then I'm gonna take some more product on the brush and I'm gonna contour the jawline. So I will just draw a line like this first. You guys can see. It instantly creates a difference. And again we're gonna blend it in circular motion. Like this. Now there's one more technique that a lot of beauty bloggers do is that they pull their cheeks in like this. And then they contour their cheeks. Now what this technique actually does is that when you pull your cheeks in, it gives you a line, it gives you like the place that you really want to contour. But honestly, it does not really work for me. So I go with my personal experiments. What I like to do is that I smile first and then I check the lines on my face where I want to contour and where I want to highlight. So you can either follow this technique or you can follow the pulling your cheeks inside technique. Now since my jawline and my cheeks are clearly visible, I'm gonna move on to the forehead. Now the reason why I would suggest you contour your forehead is because when you do not contour it, it looks a lot bigger. So using a lot of foundation on your forehead and not contouring it at all makes it look a lot more longer, which is exactly why I would suggest you contour your forehead too. So I have taken some product on the brush and now I'm gonna pull the hair back like this. And I will just contour this part. I'll apply some contour over here like this, and again blend it in circular motions. Now what you have to do is that you have to blend the contour backside and not forward. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some product here, and then we're just gonna drag it behind like this. So you don't want your contour to come forward, you want it to move backward. So we'll just do that like this. I hope you guys can see that. So now you guys can see my forehead does not look bigger, and we're gonna repeat the same thing with this side as well. Now since we're done contouring the cheeks and the jawline as well as the forehead, I'm gonna move on to contouring my nose. Now this is kind of a tricky part for a lot of people. So for my nose, I'm taking this brush. This is a precision brush. You can use any angled brush if you want. So I've taken some product on the brush, and what now I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna draw a line like this. As you guys can see, starting from the eyes, and I'm gonna drag it down like this. We're gonna do it on both the sides of our nose. You do not really have to be very precise. It's okay if you mess it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna take a blending brush and I'm gonna blend the contour, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna blend it like this. As you guys can see, I'm going in circular motions again. And it's very easy. You don't really have to worry about a lot of things. But you just need to be careful when you're blending. So just blend it completely. So you guys can see what difference it makes, and it was clearly very easy. So next we're gonna move on to highlighting. Now for highlighting you can use a fan brush, or you can also use a buffing brush. I'm gonna use a buffing brush since you guys can see my fan brush is not in a state. It is literally dead. So rest in peace. So we're gonna take this buffing brush and I'm gonna use this highlighting shade over here. I will just get some on the brush. You guys can see there's a lot, but I love highlighting, so that's okay. And you have to find the high points on your face. Now for me, I like to highlight my cheekbones, this part probably, and my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and almost everything on my face. So just watch me. So I will just dab it like this. Now I don't swipe the product here and there, I don't move it, I will just dab it like this. So once we're done highlighting our cheekbones, I'm gonna take a blending brush again and I'm gonna contour the nose, the bridge of my nose. So I'll take some product on the brush and I will just apply it on the bridge of my nose like this. This is such an amazing highlighter, you guys. So just have to add a little on your bridge and also on the top of your nose. I really don't know what this area is called, so anyway. So we're gonna apply it over here. Now if you're not using any brush, you can go with your pinky finger. So I'll just show you how. You can just apply it like this and like this. So it was that easy. Next I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eyes. Now this is really a must thing to do. It instantly opens your eyes and makes you look like wide awake. So this is really my favorite thing. So I'm just gonna apply it on the inner corner of my eyes like this. Can you guys see that? It has such a good pigmentation. I am in love with this highlighter. Also we're gonna highlight the brow bone, so apply it like this. Now you can also go for a precise brush to do that, but I really like using my blending brush. So yeah, you can also highlight the cupids of your mouth. Just apply some over here. and also a little bit on the forehead. Now only the high points of the forehead and not the whole. So we're just gonna dab again like we did first. You know, I see the difference. I really love this highlighter. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, then please hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the little notification bell down there so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.